Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Subhasish. Today in this video, I will talk about how to use autofill feature in MS Excel. So let's start. So first of all, let me tell you what is autofill. Excel has a feature that helps you automatically enter the data. This feature is called autofill. Suppose you want to put serial numbers in a list, you can use this feature which will reduce your time as well as your effort, and it will prone your errors. And one can also use the autofill for the alphanumeric values. So in this video I will cover everything, so do not skip this video, watch till the end. Now here you can see I have opened the MS Excel window. Here I will show the autofill with both numeric value as well as alphanumeric values. So first I will show the numeric value. Here you can see I am typing the numeric values 1 2 3 like this, and now I will drag this, and after the dragging you can see the numbers are printed in a sequence, like after 3 it is 4 5 6 and so on. On the screen you can see that the numbers from 1 to 12 are printed in a sequence. Now another sequence I am trying. You can see some fractional numbers are coming. So this is how you can use the numeric values. Here I have tried another sequence like 20 22 24 like this, that is the numbers with two difference, and after dragging you can see the autofill series here. The difference between the number is 2 in each case. And now I have deleted the fractional sequence, and now I will show you the alphanumeric values. So first I will type one alphanumeric value like this, then I will drag it. Here is the value, and now I will drag by holding the bottom right corner of the cell, and after dragging you can see the result, the alphanumeric value sequence. So this is how you can use the autofill feature in MS Excel. Comment below how is the video. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.